Welcome! In front of me I have Imilab W11L smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, make sure you are on the home screen, the current watch face, and then press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. So let's press and hold on the screen, and after a second or two, you should see the watch face menu. You can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left or right on the screen. Now, let's find the watch face that we want to use on our watch. For example, this one, and then tap on it to select it and apply it on your watch, like this. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.